Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the future of content creation with InVideo AI, the revolutionary tool for generating short video effortlessly. Whether you are a seasoned video editor or a complete beginner, InVideo AI can transfer your ideas into stunning videos in minutes. Hi, I am Raihan, and in this video, I am going to show you how to use InVideo AI to create engaging shorts video. Let's get started. So, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, your Instagram account, and also TikTok, so shorts video is the king to get more engaged and to get views and subscribers and followers. So you have different options. Either you can create your own videos, also you can hire freelancers who can work for you, who can create your videos. Like if you have any long format video, and you can hire video editor and they will cut and clip and make different kind of shorts video. So it's really time consuming. Also you have spent a good amount of money. So if you have spent some time like once in a week, and if you have opportunity to create by yourself to create shorts video, that would be amazing. So this is the place where you can create multiple of videos. Like this is really giant. Okay, so number one video making platform right now, AI in video. Okay, so create videos with text prompt. It's really easy. Okay, so here you can see the two options in video AI, and you will see like AI faceless video generator. If you want video generator, text to video, that's mean text prompt to video, and also you can talk avatar. Okay, and here you can see the InVideo Studio. This is the vast option where you can like getting different kind of templates. Okay, so we'll be using InVideo AI. So let's click on text to video, or also you can click AI video generator. Okay, so let's go to text to video. And if you are first time here, so you will see welcome to InVideo AI. You can join with Apple account and Google account. Also you can input your email address and create account. Okay, so the easiest way, if you have a Gmail account, definitely you have, so just click on join with Gmail account. Once we created the account, it will back to the InVideo AI, like AI InVideo.io WorkExpress. So here you can see this is the options where we have to input some prompts and we can generate videos. Also you will see workflows and plugins. Like if you want to create YouTube explainer, also YouTube shorts, so you can use as a TikTok videos. Okay, so click on explore all, and you will see YouTube explainer, script to video options, YouTube shorts video, news video, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. Okay, so let's click on YouTube shorts video. You will see YouTube shorts create prompts. So there is an option where you can input the prompt section. Maybe first time you will see this. If you don't like to input this kind of prompts over there, so just cancel it and just write your topic. Okay, and one more thing, here you can see the model version 2.0, and in video the previous version was 1.0. Okay, so make sure the version is 2.0 because it's 55 languages over there, better voices and longer prompts and different kind of stock media footages over there. Okay, so it would be very fantastic to create your stunning video. Okay, so let's grab your prompt, or if you have any in your mind, so just write it here. All right guys, so if you are out of your mind, so you can use ChatGPT to get a prompt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can find a ChatGPT prompt. Okay, so go to your ChatGPT account and just write it here. Give me a prompt to create TikTok or shorts video, and just click on enter, and you will see ChatGPT will give you a prompt. Okay, and give you a title over there also. Okay, so let's see. All right guys, I just wrote it. Give me a prompt to create TikTok or shorts video, and the ChatGPT just give me a title like life is fast forward. Fantastic. Okay, description. So just grab this description over there and just copy it and just go back to your InVideo and paste it here and click on generative video. So if you want to keep select YouTube, so it will produce a long format video, but we want to produce a short format video so that we can upload in our Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and TikTok, and whatever you want. So make sure, so click on YouTube shorts video, and let's click on continue. All right guys, so finally our video is ready. All right, so it's time to play this video. Okay, all right, so let's zoom it. Okay, and let's play the video.
Time flies, doesn't it? Blink and you might just miss the precious moments that weave the tapestry of our lives. Every morning begins with a rush. The sun peaks over the horizon and we're already on the move. Fast forward through moments of hustle, The quick steps to catch a bus, the swirling dance of a spoon in a coffee cup, fingers flying over a keyboard. All these moments, zipping by like cars on a freeway. But let's slow it down. Why? Because in the whirlwind of our daily routines, it's easy to forget the importance of pausing, of really living in the moment. Life isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about cherishing the journey. Each second, each breath is a gift. So, next time you feel overwhelmed by the speed of life, remember to breathe, look around, and embrace the now. Because time, once gone, is gone forever.
Alright guys, so finally we just finished our video. So I think it's like a motivational video, okay? So if you want to grow your motivational channel or any kind of other niches you have, so you can create this kind of videos, okay? So if you want to edit over there, so just click on edit. So I'm not going to edit this, just click on, I want to show you how we can export this. So click on export and you have to our settings over there, like, so click on stock watermarks, also click on normal and keep it is 180 pixels, okay? So click on continue. Alright guys, so this is the final stage where you can download this video. Just click on download over there. I just clicked and here you can see this is the video, okay, live in fast forward and change every moment. Okay guys, I'm going to create another video, so let's create another video. And I just created another prompts, okay? So unexpected friends, a tale of cross species bonding, okay? So just grab this text prompt over there, copy it and just go back to your in video and just create the video, okay? Alright guys, our second video is ready, so let's play.
Supreme, the soft whispers of friendship still find a way to echo through the wilderness. In the cozy corners of a sunlit garden, a cat and a bird peck at seeds side by side.
So our video is rendering and alright guys, so very soon it will be done 100% rendering, okay? Alright guys, so successfully our video is exported done and this is the video is already downloading over there. So this is how you can create YouTube shorts, reels video and TikTok's video, and make sure it's 100% free, but you have to consider with watermark. If you found this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on video creation. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy creating.